Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. If you look at the chart here, then it seems that the chart is very simple, very beautiful and all. But yes, the chart is not very complicated, but there are certain things that you also must understand and you also must be aware of. So let's do the analysis first and listen to me carefully so that you do not get confused later. Okay. So this is the 4 hour chart, and first of all I would like to discuss about this trend line that I have drawn here. So my dear friends, if you do not have this trend line on a trading platform, then please draw this line, because this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market right now. Because you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing severe resistance, severe selling pressure from above. As a result, price has failed to go up, and this trend line is still acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore this trend line is the one of the most important part of this GBP JPY chart right now. So this trend line is a must in your charting platform as well. And right now you can see that yesterday also the market tried to cross this trend line, but market failed, and as a result you can see market form a red candle followed by a small red candle again. So on Monday, if you see market unable to cross this trend line again, you can short the market, because as we all know, the thumbnail of the market says buy at support, sell at resistance, and right now you can see that market is just standing at resistance here, and it seems to be a very good position. So on Monday, if you see the same selling pressure or same struggle of the market to cross the resistance, then you can easily short the market at the resistance. Your stop loss will be just above this line, because so far this trend line has proven itself to be a strong resistance for the market. Clear? Apart from this level, okay, apart from this resistance level, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. Okay, trend line here. This trend line is important because if you have watched my previous videos on GBP JPY, then you remember correctly that I told about the presence of buyers in this market. Because see, overall if you look at the chart here, then there's no doubt that this market is in downtrend. But whenever market was facing severe selling pressure, it was also witnessing sharp recovery as well. You can see that whenever market went down, immediately the market recovered as well. Try to understand the market psychology. It means that market has got buyers in it, and they were not ready to take the price down. As a result, whenever market was going down, they immediately tried their best to take the price upward. As a result, market was witnessing recovery, sharp recovery on the market, and therefore we cannot deny the presence of strong buyers also in this market. Therefore, one thing that I would like to show you is the weekly chart. If you have watched my other videos, then you know that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and especially the weekly chart, because the weekly chart belongs to the institutional traders, the big boys. If I remove the drawings, then you can see that in the weekly chart, yes, in the weekly chart we do not have any prominent support or resistance level in front of us right now, but you can see that in the weekly chart, when price went down, market saw price rejection from below, which clearly signifies that yes, the presence of buyers in the market. And if you look at this candle, then you can clearly see that there is no doubt that buyers are there in the market. And in the weekly chart also, if you look at the overall trend, then this market is an uptrend. Therefore, in the 4 hour chart, the market seems to be in downtrend, but buyers are there in this market, and we cannot deny their presence. Therefore, while shorting the market, we must be very careful. And right now you can see that market has formed a lower high here. Market did not cross this previous high. Market has formed a lower high. Therefore, you must be extremely careful. So if you short the market on, if you short the market here on Monday, let's assume you short the market here on Monday, you have got two targets. You have got two targets that you must be extremely careful. First of all, as per the normal rules and regulations or normal understanding of the market, your take profit target will be this. 151.50. This is your first this is your normal take profit target, but there is a good chance that market will bounce from this trend line as well, because of the presence of buyers in it. Because in the weekly chart also we have seen that market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern with price rejection from below. In the 4 hours chart also you are seeing that market has formed a lower high here. And if market bounces from here, or if market bounces from this trend line, I'm talking about this line. If market bounces from this trend line, then there is a good possibility that market will be crossing this resistance by the next week. So you must be very careful. So let the market open on Monday and see how the price does or price reacts. If you see market forming red candle and struggling near the resistance, you can short the market here, but keep in mind that market may bounce from this support also. So if market bounces from the support, just exit from the market. If market fails to bounce, then your take profit target will be 151.50 level. And if you go to the forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhajarika.com under forex 101 section. In the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 70% retail traders have taken short position and 29% retail traders have taken long position. And my dear friends, as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. 90% retail traders lose money, and this is a hard fact around the globe. We all know, and the main reason is that retail traders fail to follow the trend of the market. They fail to follow the understand the psychology of the market. And that's why I'm saying that there is still a good possibility that market may bounce from here, because in the weekly chart market has formed or shown us a price rejection from below. So you must be very careful. So if you even if you short the market here, exit here if market reverses, or if it fails, then your take profit target is this only. This is it. Let's see how the price does, how the market reacts on Monday and in the coming days. So I'll be updating you again on the Monday, and I'll tell you what should be a strategy for Tuesday and on. Let's see how the price rolls. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.